All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to talk about something critical, the idea that your company's security training might be, well, dangerously out of date. We're going to look at how AI is creating a whole new wave of cyber threats, and more importantly, what we can actually do about it. Now, just so you know, this is part 5 of a 20-part overview of a really comprehensive report by Virtualization Options LLC. We're only scratching the surface of what's in their full report, which covers all the benefits and complexities of this stuff. If you want to really get into your training options, you should definitely contact them directly. And the usual disclaimer, this brief overview comes with no warranty. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to it. So all the insights we're unpacking today come from this in-depth report from Virtualization Options LLC. They've really put their finger on a major blind spot in how most companies are getting ready for the future of security, and that's exactly what we're going to explore. So let's start with a really direct question, one that gets right to the heart of this report. Why is that annual check-the-box security training your team probably just sat through already completely obsolete? I know, it sounds a little extreme, but the evidence we're about to look at suggests it might just be the uncomfortable truth. The reason for this, according to the report, is pretty simple. We're facing an entirely new breed of threat. The rules of the game have fundamentally changed, but our defenses, our training, well, they just haven't kept up. The report actually gives this whole phenomenon a name, the AI acceleration effect. So what does that mean? Basically, powerful AI tools that are super easy to get are putting incredibly sophisticated cyber attack weapons into the hands of, frankly, low-skill attackers. What used to take a team of genius hackers can now be done by almost anyone. And this slide really nails the difference. You know, in the past, pulling off a big attack required deep, specialized knowledge and a lot of resources. But today, with AI, it's a totally different world. These incredibly powerful attack tools have been democratized, making them available to pretty much anyone with a computer and some bad intentions. And listen, these aren't some far-off hypothetical threats. The report is very clear. They are happening right now. We're talking about phishing emails that are so perfectly written they are almost impossible to spot. We're talking about hyper-realistic deepfake videos of your CEO giving instructions, automated voice cloning for social engineering, tricking people into giving up passwords and confidential info. We're even seeing malware that uses AI to constantly rewrite its own code so it never gets caught. So when you add all of that up, it leads to the report's central and honestly unavoidable conclusion. Static annual security training is no longer enough. It's kind of like preparing your soldiers for modern warfare by only teaching them how to use muskets. The threat changes daily, and a once-a-year PowerPoint just can't keep up. But okay, it is not all doom and gloom here. The report doesn't just point out the problem. It also lays out a really powerful solution. They call it the continuous learning advantage. And it's a simple but profound idea that really requires us to shift how we think about security. The key takeaway is just this. There is a better way to do this. And the impact of this better way, it's actually staggering. The report points to data showing that organizations with these continuous ongoing training programs see up to a 50%, that's 50% reduction in successful social engineering attacks compared to companies that only do that annual training. That's a huge measurable improvement. So what is this continuous training really? It's way more than just sending more emails. You have to think of it like a living, dynamic ecosystem. It's a program that is constantly learning from live threat data, from your own internal incident reports, and then it pushes out these small, timely, and super relevant micro-trainings to your team. That's the goal here. Now, a dynamic, self-updating training program sounds great, right? But it also sounds complicated. So where on earth do you even start? Well, the report gives a very clear, very practical first step. You have to conduct a gap audit. And the report breaks this audit down into 4 pretty simple steps. First, inventory. Just make a list of all your current training stuff. Second, map. Connect each one of those modules to a specific thread. And, this part is critical, note the date it was last updated. Step 3, identify. Here's the rule of thumb from the report. Anything older than 12 months is a high priority for replacement. Why? Because AI threats evolve so fast that the year-old intel is practically ancient history. And finally, step 4, document. This is where you write down very clearly the gap between what your team knows and the actual threats they are facing today. This whole process, from understanding the new AI threats to auditing your own training, it's really all about answering one fundamental question for your organization. And so, I'll leave you with the same question we started with, but now with a whole lot more context. Is your security training really keeping pace with AI? The report strongly suggests that for most organizations, the answer is probably no, but it also shows there's a clear, actionable path to start fixing it.